So 10 years ago, Declan Moen, Declan Murphy and Conor Gilmore made an application to the CCRC. That application was in order to overturn their convictions. They believed that they were set up by a state agent. That application was ultimately referred to the Court of Appeal, and today the Court of Appeal quashed those convictions. Well, firstly, we welcome it. It's taken far too long. These clients have waited over 30 years in order to have their convictions overturned. The reality of the situation is the court found that their behaviour, the police's behaviour, was reprehensible. That these convictions should never have happened. These clients lost their liberty as a result of what happened to them, and they should never have been put before the courts. But unfortunately, bad actors within the RUC at the time acted wrongly in failing to properly disclose information that should have been given to the trial at the time. And if that had have been done, these clients would never have been convicted.
Claim that you had done?
I had been arrested. There had been an incident in Limavady the previous night. I was arrested the following day, and they tried to then join the dots where they could incorporate us into what happened the night before, despite the fact that there was absolutely no evidence to suggest that. And unfortunately, when they had us in the barracks, that's when they decided to manufacture evidence, and unfortunately that was accepted in the Declan courts. There's some relief, but at the same time, like many other people, there's anger, because we know that nobody is going to be held to account for this. So the people that were committing crimes, that were involved in this, they will walk scot-free.
It's a matter for us to discuss as to whether compensation will be given and whether we take that step. But you heard in the court today that there was serious misconduct by the police in this trial. So again, someone might be held to account through the civil courts. We would hope to meet with our clients very soon to discuss all those options and what the next steps are.